kenekwa ngị Igbo ndị mana ege ntị biko na ọ bụ na ebe onye Igbo na-like ihe anyị na-eme na this channel biko kabarụ na share video anyị share cha ya ọbụkwa nke ya subscribe like ya subscribe masị na like ya like ya subscribe you subscribe chi na-enene video na please just tap one of that emoji dị aka like this nke a na-ede aka like this tap one ya or like the video and in any the video n'elu ya to the place ikwesị imago na this video yes nke a metụta gị tinye na comment section ihe na-abụrụkwa no drag na mgbe ọbụla na-ete na-achọ m ka akụgbu fọdụ nwekwana nke mmetere dị mmasị m oke na ịtara ya na nka Chukwu gozie gị God bless you ọ bụkwana nke ya asị m na akaụntụ nọmba gị ka nwekwala gị cha nne gị akaụntụ nọmba ụna anweela m cha ọ mmadụ ka eji aba nọ na aghọta so biko si na-eme ya ma ọ na-adịkwa na anyị mma kedu ihe m ji ekwulu okwu n'ụbọchị nke taata nna like youth Nigerian youth na-eme ihe ka mmadụ na-eche ka mmadụ mara that na in this country nọ n'ime ya anyị enweghị natural disaster ya nwe political and government disaster ka anyị nwe our politicians isi adịrọ ha mma our politicians don't care and they have controlled most of the mainstream media. They have successfully controlled most of the mainstream media. They control what you hear, what you see, how you dressed, what trends, what distract you. This country kind of ego na petroleum na efu ego de n'ọkụ na efu ego wepụtara for transport na efu ego na budget for Nigeria na efu ịgbakọcha ego na efu na this country ego na efu n'obodo a achịka etikọ ya ọnụ ọka ọya akwụ ụgwọ Nigeria ji as a country change afọ ide highway so ego fu na petroleum and Tinubu bụ petroleum minister so ego fulu dia ewepụta ọya akwụ ụgwọ Nigeria ji change afọ change for ewele ameli ihe ọzọ a na-eme so na this country can follow a politician a budget a state mecha budget over 212 billion mana so si ha budget for healthcare bụ 69 million naira 68 million wale nwete 212 billion for the state mana so di ime the whole budget so si he dem for healthcare bụ 68 million naira not even 600 million no 68 million naira ka ide na akwụkwọ for healthcare 68 million ogotenwu MRI gịnị nwana machine ogotenwu ya ka o maintain nwo ya biko nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru okwu wee sị na kịta Donald Trump ha batago Nigeria ha batago now he's calling on all our politicians all hand on deck kịta ka etiko isi ọnụ megịnị nyụkọ mamịrị ọnụ ha ka o megịnị ka ọ gbaa ọfụfụ ọkpọcha ma Soludo ma all those people migo mention chala afa ndị polu ndị America mgbe ahụ kpọcha ha afa so biko ka ị na-enene vidiyo nwa ị na-enecha ya ka barụ subscriber na mụ ka na-ekwukwu ekwu the boy soli ya na English to biko kun na-enene kun na like kun na subscribe kwanụ ha i subscribe chọọ nwe nke ọzọ ị na-enene vidiyo ọzọ because we are here to open the eyes of people and to enlighten them. Enough is enough. This question can distract. There are so many distractions out there. Nigeria na bagala but we are not. I don't know go. Onoboro ogo egbe na mma. All we ji akọ n'uche anu. Kodekwan.
All right, Karakuta Republic, gentlemen and great people of Nigeria. Now that United States soldiers, their boots are already on Nigerian soil, I will have to call out some people. We are going to need your services. You are going to need your energy. We are going to need your power shortly because it is time. There is no other time than now. Number one, The executive governor of Anambra State, Governor Soludo, please, we are going to need your effort. We are going to need your presence. We are going to need your position this time around. When United States added Nigeria as a country of particular concern and landed an airstrike in Nigeria, you were showing your concern for Nigerian people by saying that United States has no jurisdiction to do to Nigeria to do another thing, that Nigeria should invade. You are saying a lot of things. Please, now, they have overstepped your boundaries and they are already in Nigeria. Please, we need you to do something. Either deploy soldiers to go and confront them, or you can take up rifle and go and confront United States soldiers wherever they are. Please, sir, we are begging you in the name of God. Leave on a Onitsha market for now. We have foreign soldiers in Nigeria. Please, we need you to do something. Number two, some Nigerian soldiers that we are seeing online raking. I don't know who allowed you to be handling phone and comment on social media. You are dragging the Nigerian military out. I don't know how you expect Nigerian military to be combating US military. You are coming on social media making videos saying if United soldiers step their foot into Nigeria that they are not going to go back alive. Where are you people? Please, we are going to need you to do something now. United soldiers are finally here in Nigeria. Please, we need you to wake up. Pick up your rifle, go and confront them wherever they are. Go now. Number three, Asari Dokubo, if you run, if you hide, this is not time to keep quiet. You were saying that if United States just come to Nigeria, they are not going to go back alive. Please, this is not time to keep quiet or offline or go off social media. Please, we need you to be active. And please, Nigerian people are begging you to take action. We are relying on your effort, on your raking, the way you were raking, saying if United States soldiers come to Nigeria, they will not go back alive. We are trusting your power that you are going to protect us and do something. Please, we are needing you now. Asari Dokubo, I beg. Please, if now soldiers you get, if now anything where you get, deploy them, let them go and confront United States soldiers, please. Make video, come online and make video, tell them to evacuate Nigeria, tell them to leave Nigeria ASAP. If your big belly is too heavy that you cannot do it, please call some people to go and pack the big belly. We just need you to be active now. We just need you to do something. Asari Dokubo, if you run, And number four, Gumi, the unstoppable, the Endaboski Bahosa, the liquid metal, the lubricant lubricatus, the Afghanistan, the booster bulldozer, the Nigerian godfather. Please, no run. Don't hide. No, you are a man. Please be strong. Gumi, you are the godfather of Nigeria. You are the untouchable. You are the unmovable. Please come out. Don't run. Don't hide. Come out. Nigerians are going to support you. Don't support anything like invasion, like United States coming to Nigeria. All of those guys. We don't support any of that. United States don't have any jurisdiction to come to Nigeria to perform all this nonsense. We are supporting you, Gumi. Please come out. Make video. Post online. We are hoping on you people. Please make a video now. Please come online. Please. And number five, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Please, sir. You are the executive president of Nigeria. You are the number one citizen of Nigeria. You are the one we are looking up to. There are foreign soldiers in Nigerian soil. We know that you may be aware of this movement, but then we are going to need your presence to supervise their activities in this country. We don't know their intentions. Whether United States, they want to come and do us bad things. So we need your presence here in this country. Please, sir, please, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, if you are outside Nigeria, please, we will need you to come back. By all means, even if you are sick, they can organize special physicians and special doctors, special medical doctors to be taking care of you. They just need to accompany you in the aircraft. They should bring you to Nigeria. You should be in Nigeria now. There was an airstrike in Nigeria on 26th day of December 2025. You didn't say anything about it. Now, foreign soldiers, this is invasion, foreign soldiers. If you are not aware of this movement, you should be here now to provide security for all Nigerian citizens. And even if you are still aware of the movement, you should be in Nigeria to supervise their actions, supervise their movement, so that we know exactly what is going on. We are so scared, sir. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, please come back, sir. We are so scared. Please, sir. Please, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, please come back. Please come to Nigeria.